Okay, so next is exercise 7.3, question number 1. Okay, so what it says, triangle ABC and triangle DBC. Triangle ABC, this big triangle, and triangle DBC, this small triangle, okay, are two isosceles triangles. So these two are, this big triangle is isosceles triangle, this also isosceles triangle, okay, on the same base BC. So for both the triangle you can see the base is BC, common base. For this triangle also this is the base, for this triangle also this is the base, right? With common base they have said. And vertices A and D are on same side of BC. That means this is BC and A and D are on same side, upside, right? Both. Now if AD is extended to side BC, AD is extended to side BC, towards BC, if you extend and make it meet at P, okay, show that triangle ABD, this triangle, can you see, ABD, this triangle is congruent to ACD, ACD. So this triangle I have to show it's congruent to this triangle. So very simple proof. You can see this triangle is isosceles triangle, right? So that's why this side and this side is equal. This triangle is also isosceles triangle with this side and this side equal, right? Okay, now see how I'll show this two triangle congruent. Okay, very simple question. This is one triangle, this is your ABD. This is what you have to prove, right? ABD and ACD. This is your another triangle, this one ACD. So see carefully, they have given this triangle is isosceles triangle, so this side and this side will be equal, right? Yes. Next, to show congruent, remember 4 property we had, right? If one of that, if I can show here, it's enough to say that these two triangle are congruent. Okay, next, since this triangle is isosceles triangle, then these two sides are same, because in isosceles triangle we know two sides of a triangle are always equal. Okay, so this side and this side equal. Okay, now other than this they have not given any information, right? Now we have to find out one more condition. Your 4 property was side angle side angle, or right angle hypotenuse side, or last one was side, right? Out of this you have to show one property. So you can see two sides I have already shown it is same, right? From the question only. Now one more information we need from here. Now this you can find yourself, it's not given anything in the question. Now can you see anything common here? I mean equal here. Obviously here AD, this third side it is also same, right? Because they are common. So can I say side congruency? Yes. So that's what you have to write for number 1 in triangle ABD and ACD. Okay, what we know, AB is equal to AC given. Next, BD is equal to CD given, because isosceles triangle, right? So it's given. Next, AD is equal to AD. Why? They are common. So you can see all the 3 sides of one triangle is equal to another triangle. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Very simple proof, right? Why? Side congruency. Okay, number 2. Number 2, what they have asked? Show that triangle ABP is congruent to ACP. Now let's see which one is ABP. ABP. This triangle, can you see, is congruent to ACP. ACP. Can you see? So I have to show now this triangle and this triangle congruent. Now how I will show? Let me draw separately the diagram again. It's always better to draw like this, otherwise you might get confused here. This two triangle A, P, this is B, this is A, this is P, this is C. So you can see this is common side. Anyway, now from this, can I say these two sides same? I have to show these two triangle congruent, right? Again, one of this property I have to show. So from this side and this side equal. Anything else? Yes, this side and this side equal because common. Anything else? Now this side I cannot say right now. Okay, I can't say whether they are equal or not. So anything else you can say here equal. So obviously one will be equal, right? One angle will be equal because all three sides are not same. We cannot say about these two sides. So let's see what I can say. Any angle, can I say this angle, or this angle, this angle, or this angle equal? Yes, this angle, can you see? Now see, previously we have proved that this triangle and this triangle congruent. So obviously its angle also will be equal. This angle will be equal to this angle. This angle will be equal to this angle. And this angle will be equal to this angle. Obvious, right? So can I say these two angle equal? Yes. Proof. Side angle side, side angle side. Congruency. Very simple. I hope you have understood. In the previous part, that is question number 1, we have proved that these two triangle congruent. So if it is congruent, all angle of this triangle must be equal to all angle of this triangle. Obviously this will be corresponding to this correspond to this correspond to this. So obviously this and this equal. So this angle and this angle we have proved it is equal. Now from this you can say this AP is bisector of angle A. Can we say, because these are equal, right? When it will be equal? Obviously when this will bisect, cut from the middle, right? So this I can say. Why I'm saying this one? Because your question number 4 is that only. Or question number 3, AP bisect AC. Show that AP bisect angle A. Already you have shown. You just have to write this, okay? As well as angle D. Okay, angle D we will show anyway. First let's finish number 2. So these two triangle, easily I can say these are congruent, right? So in triangle ABP and triangle ACP, what I can write? AB is equal to AC, angle BAP is equal to angle CAP, this and this. Why? Because let me write CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Let me write down here triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD, so that you will understand from where we got this angle equal, because we have shown that these two triangle, this small triangle, can you see, are congruent. So from this we can say these two angle will be equal. Why? Because they are corresponding part of congruent triangle. Anyway, so second part also done. Third, AP is equal to AP. Why? Common, right? So we have shown this is given. Reason always you have to give, okay? Therefore triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Very simple question, right? It's like previous exercise only. Okay, reason side angle side congruency, side angle side congruency. Okay, so number 2 also done. Number 3, first part already done. AP, you have to show AP bisect angle A. Already we have shown, right? This is equal. We will simply write down since this is equal to this, therefore AP bisect angle A. Same way we have to show as well as angle D. So we have to show that this AP bisect angle D also. This is your angle D, right? So for that what we will do? This triangle and this triangle you show congruent. Okay, once you will show this two triangle congruent, what I can say? This angle and this angle equal, right? Corresponding part. Now once these are equal, I can say this is bisector. Now see the advantage of showing this two triangle congruent. Your question number 4 is what? AP is perpendicular bisector. You have to show AP is perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree it should be, right? With the base, this one must be 90 degree. Perpendicular bisector, and it must cut from the middle, means this and this I have to show equal. So for number 4 also, this proof which you will do in question number 3 will be enough for question number 4 also. Okay, so what we will do now, we will show this two triangle congruent. Why? Because we have to show that AP bisect angle A. So for that I have to show this two angle equal. For that I will show this two triangle congruent, and very simple to show congruent. This and this equal, this will be equal, common, right? In this two triangle you can see this and this equal, given this is common. Now what about this two? We have already shown A BP and ACP are congruent, right? These two triangle congruent means what? This side and this side will be equal. Finish. Okay. So from this we can easily prove. So number 3 and 4, it's very simple question. Okay. So number 3, you check what they have asked. AP bisect angle A, you have to show. AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. So this AP bisect this angle also, this angle also I have to show. So this is already done. Since triangle ABDN is congruent to triangle ACD, therefore angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, right? These two angle equal, therefore AP bisect, can I say, angle A from here. Next I have to show this and this equal. For that I will show these two triangle congruent. We haven't showed till now. Okay, these two triangle congruent. Again, in triangle, you might be thinking this is very lengthy, right? But see, the concept is very easy here. You don't have to see the length of answer. Okay, so see how I will prove this one congruent. So this triangle, let me draw separately again. This is one triangle, this is another. Right now D, this is D, this is P, this is B. D, P, C. Now you can see these two sides are equal. Why? Because they have already said in the first part only that this is isosceles triangle. So two sides are same. Next, this and this also will be equal. Why? Because you have already proved that APB is congruent to ACP, right? This triangle and this triangle congruent we have already proved. So obviously this and this will be equal, right? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. So equal, and this equal because they are common, so congruent, this two triangle. Okay, from that, since these two triangle will be congruent, we can say this angle and this angle equal. Okay, even this angle will be equal, even this angle will be equal. Okay, so from this, in triangle DBP and triangle DCP, what I can write? DB is equal to DC. Triangle DBP is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. That's the reason these two sides are same. Okay, or you can write given also. Next, DP is equal to DP, common, right? Last, BP is equal to CP. Why? CPCT. Triangle, corresponding part of congruent triangle. So which two triangle? Triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Okay, ACP. We have seen that ABP is congruent to ACP. These two triangle we have already proved, right? That's why its all corresponding part will be equal. So this part also will be equal. Okay, so you can see side we have already shown, right? So therefore triangle DBP is congruent to triangle DCP. Okay, if these two triangle congruent, what I can say? Therefore angle BDP is equal to angle CDP. We have to show these two angle only, right? Equal. Since these two triangle congruent, so I can say now this and this equal. So if this is equal, what I can say? This DP, or can I say this DP is bisector, or I can say AP is bisector. Therefore, and this one, what you will write? CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. That's why these are equal. Okay, therefore AP bisect angle D. That's it. Number 3 also done. Number 4, we have already proved that one. Number 4, what you have to prove? You have to prove that this AP is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means this line must be perpendicular and it must bisector, means must cut from the midpoint. So cut from the midpoint means what? I have to show this and this equal, which we have already shown. Okay, the only thing is I have to show this is 90 degree. Now you see this angle and this angle equal, right? Because these two triangle congruent. In the previous question we have proved. These two triangle congruent means what? This and this equal. If these two equal, you see what is total angle here? 180 degree. Then this must be 90, this must be 90. Okay, so that's how we will prove. So see carefully here what I'm going to write for this. So number 4, I have to show AP is perpendicular bisector. Okay, I have to show this one. So what I will do, since BA is equal to, not BA, sorry, this is P. BP is equal to CP, therefore why this is CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, right? Since these two sides are same, that's why can I say AP is bisector of BC. Therefore AP is bisector. So bisector I have already proved. Now I have to prove only perpendicular, bisector of BC. Okay, next I have to prove that this line is perpendicular. Again, angle BPD is equal to angle CPD. This angle and this angle equal, right? I have to show what? This angle 90 degree I have to show. For that, I know that these two angle are equal. First thing, CPCT again, corresponding part of congruent triangle. That's why these are equal. These two triangle congruent. That's why these two angle equal. Okay. Okay. Now see, this is how much? Total 180 degree. Now angle BPD plus angle CPD is equal to how much? 180 degree. BPD plus CPD means this angle 180 degree, which implies, now these two are same, right? So can I write twice of angle BPD, this is D, is equal to 180 degree. This and this are same, right? Equal. So instead of writing CPD again, I can write CPD also in terms of BPD, right? Because they are equal. So from here can I write angle BPD is equal to 90 degree. That's it. To bring this side, it will become 90 degree. So this is 90 degree means what? Perpendicular. So AP is, therefore AP is perpendicular bisector. Okay.